Good morning, friends. How are you? Might be safe at home? Today we have finished the third lesson, human reproduction. Today we will start our fourth lesson, that is reproductive health. In this online session, we will study about the first few topic of the lesson, that is population, explosion, methods of birth control, only barrier and chemical method. First of all, I would like to give introduction about the lesson. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and social. Reproductive health therefore implies that people are able to have a responsible, satisfying and safe sex life, and they have the capacity to reproduce, and there should be the freedom to decide if, when and how often to do so. Both men and women should know about the effective, affordable and acceptable methods of birth control according to their choice, and also the right of access to appropriate health care services, so that women go safely through pregnancy and childbirth. This will help the couple to have a healthy infant. Successful implementation of various action plans to attain reproductive health requires strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise and material support. These are very essential to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems like pregnancy, delivery, STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease, HIV prevention, abortion, contraception, menstrual problem and infertility. So, knowledge of reproductive health empowers women and men to make the choices necessary to improve their lives, improve their reproductive and sexual health. Now we will discuss about the population explosion and birth control. A rapid decline in death rate, rapid decline in maternal mortality rate and rapid decline in infant mortality rate, as well as an increase in the number of people in reproductive age are probable reason for population explosion. Frequent pregnancy affects the mother's health and vitality. Large families add to our already exploding human population. Thus, there is an urgent need to have general awareness in our society regarding advantages of small families, sufficient spacing between the births and prevention of unwanted pregnancies. There are several contraceptive methods that help in controlling the population. The main preventing methods are barrier method, chemical method, intrauterine contraceptive devices IUCD, natural method and surgical method. We will discuss here about the first two methods of contraception, that is barrier and chemical method. First of all, we will study about barrier method. It is a method in which physical devices are used to prevent the entry of sperms into the female genital tract during copulation. It also helps in protecting against STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease. Some of the common barrier methods are: first, condoms. Condoms are used by male and these are the thin, strong rubber sheaths. Example, Nirod. Second one is Femidone. It is also a thin rubber or polyurethane tube that fits inside the vagina used by female. Third is diaphragm or cervical caps. It is a flexible rubber dome which fits over the cervix and is also used by female. This is the figure of condom used by male and female. This figure is also given in your NCERT textbook. Next method is chemical method. It is of different types. First is foam, tablets, jellies, creams, pastes and spermicides. These are the substances or chemicals which are used by female and are placed in the vagina. These chemicals adhere to the mucous membrane and immobilize and finally kills the sperm. Second type is the oral pills, also called as oral contraceptives. Oral pills are further of two types: mini pills and combined pills. Mini pills are used to check ovulation. These pills mainly consist of estrogens and progesterone and hence prevents the development of egg and ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone. So see how it works. It inhibits the secretion of follicle stimulating hormones. So there will be no question of formation of egg and no question of ovulation. Example of mini pill is Saheli. It is taken once in a week. There is almost no side effect and high contraceptive values. Saheli pill is developed by our scientists at CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute at Lucknow. This is the figure of Saheli pills. They are in form of tablets. Second type of oral pill is combined pill. Mala D and Mala N are examples of combined pills. It is taken daily without break. But you have seen that in case of Saheli, it is taken once a week. But this Mala D and Mala N are taken daily without break. It also contains synthetic progesterone and estrogen to check ovulation. Another chemical method is vaginal pills, which contain spermicides and used by female before copulation. It helps in killing of sperm. So today we will study these only, children. Thank you. Have a lovely day.